or Cody or however you want to know me. My friend Chris has just eaten some Mentos. He's chopping them up and putting them out right now. Mouth right now. And we saw the video on YouTube with the Diet Coke and the Mentos, and yeah, there's Chris. So we're gonna actually let him drink some Diet Coke to go with his Mentos, and then we're gonna put on the internet so he'll be humiliated. So let's go. All right.
I don't even know how this works.
Okay. So get in the shower. Okay. So, get in the shower so you don't get anything. Alright. Alright, now put it in your mouth.
Hold on. Alright. Get the mouth. Oh.
Let's see how this works. Alright. You ready? Well, that's not cool at all. Is it exploding?
No, very good.
Well, this is lame. Time number 1 was a bust. Let's try this again.
Did you get the manual?
Now he's putting a lot more.
It's like a Klondike bar mixture. Wait, no. It's like a York, actually. I don't know, you know what I mean?
It's almost an entire box. I guess the reaction is good. Alright, well, that's that. Alright, everybody, that's it. That's what happens when you try to have Mentos and Diet Coke at the same time. See ya. You just feel gassy?
Yeah.
Well, there's a result of the reaction.